Looking for treasure in dumpster, I found this TISSOT watch in some garbage. After cracking it open, I was greeted with some rusty parts and an unpleasant smell. I started cracking it open and was shocked to see the map of America. I started working on the front section, which had a broken glass, and I successfully removed the mechanical component. I started removing it piece by piece, and it was inside of full of rust. After soaking the main frame in some cleaning agent, I kept on scrubbing until it released some rust juice. I used some white glue to clean and polish the parts. A decade of cleaning later, I managed to bring the parts into pristine condition. With some alcohol and more scrubbing, I managed to recover all the parts inside. It's crazy to see how many parts are used in a small device like this one. I wasted no time and started working on the power spring, which delivers power to all the components of the watch. With some luck and a lot of time, I began to reassemble the mechanical gears back to their original place. After testing the spring, I installed all the rubber inside the watch. After checking the data deal, it's time to put it back together. This watch dates back to 1853, so it's safe to say that the original owner won't be looking for this watch. Now it's time to clean the bezel. It's shocking to see how shiny they become after a good clean. I gave them some polish and coated them in gold to make them shine more. With the sapphire glass on the top, it's time to put them back to their original place. After finishing everything, I can confidently say this is some serious cash from trash.